Dear students, now we are going to learn how to compare two-digit numbers. So we know that we have learned from 1 to 99. That is the largest possible two-digit numbers. So we are going to compare two different two-digit numbers and how we can find which one is a bigger, which one is a smaller. So now let us compare two-digit numbers. We have taken 34 and 43. So we are going to use two methods in order to compare two-digit numbers. The first method we are using is a number line method. So we have to keep in mind we are going to use the method number line. So first we have to draw a number line and we have to write, since we have to find the 34 and 43. So we are going to start from 30 onwards, writing the number line 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 up to 43 we have written. And now we are going to note the numbers 34 and 43. So we know that when we look into the number line, 43 comes after 34. So any number that comes after another number is considered as a bigger number. So we can conclude that 43 is bigger than 34, or we can write it as it is shown, 43 is greater than 34. Or we can say in another way that 34 is smaller than 43, and it can be also written in as that way. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. We are going to use a number line method. So we will draw a number line. We will find out the numbers we have to find out. Here we have to find out the 34 and 43. And we can see that 43 comes after 34. So therefore we can conclude that the number that comes after any number is considered to be the biggest number. So we can conclude that 43 is bigger than 34. We can otherwise say that 34 is smaller than 43. Now we are going to learn the second method. The second method is using place value. So we know that the number with greater digit in the bigger place is the bigger number. So we have to remember this thing important. So if you have a one digit number and a two digit number, so since two digit number has two places according to place value system, so it will be always the two digit number will be bigger than the one digit number. And if you have two digit numbers, and we have to first consider the highest place, that is the 10th place is the highest place in the two digit numbers, and we have to say that which is the biggest number that comes in the 10th place will be the biggest number. Okay, so now we are going to compare two numbers 34 and 43. So for that we have to draw the place value column. So when we look into the place value column of the 43, we have 3 in the ones column and 4 in the tens column. Now we have to draw the place value table of 34. The 4 is in ones column and 3 in tens column. So first of all we have to look, when we have a two digit number, the highest place value is 10. So now let us look into the two numbers, the tens column. Here in the first column we have 4, and in the tens column in the second number we have 3. We know that 4 comes after 3, therefore 4 is greater than 3. Therefore we can conclude that 43 is greater than 34. Okay, or we can try another example. Now we can try another example. We have taken two numbers 25 and 29. Now we are going to draw the number place value table for the both numbers. You see 29, the place value table, 9 comes under 1's table, 2 comes under 10's table. And in the number of 25, the 1's table we have 5 and 10's table we have 2. As we have learned earlier, first of all, since it is a two digit number, we have to compare the tens table first. But since they have the same number, we cannot compare because they have the same value. So we cannot compare. So the next highest value table is ones. Place value table is ones. So now we are going to look into the ones table. We have 9 and 5. So we get 9 since comes after 5. Therefore we can conclude that 9 is greater than 5. So we can conclude that 29 is bigger than 25. So I think it is very much quite clear for you using place value system. You look every one thing you have to remember that the number that is comes in the highest place value with the highest value will be the biggest number. That we have to keep in mind. And when we are comparing, first of all we have to, when we compare two digit numbers, always look into the first into the tens column, and if they are having different numbers, let us look which one is bigger and which one is smaller, and find out if which one is bigger, then that number will be the biggest number, the other number will be the smallest number. If in the tens column we have same value, then look into the next column, that is ones, and we can find if they are different numbers. It is easy to understand which one is bigger and smaller. I hope you understand this topic very well. We will be practicing certain exercises.